Hey guys, what's up? It's Bria whatever. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, you should take a second, subscribe, but you know me, I never make intros or outros to my vlogs because I'm literally the worst vlogger. I wouldn't even use that term. I'm the worst person, honestly, to make vlogs. So yeah, here's my intro. This is old footage from like 2 weekends ago. We went to IKEA. It was like a 2-hour drive. So we had a little mini road trip, me, my friend, and her sisters. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys that small short vlog that I have. Before the video starts, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.
Briana, 24 hours in an IKEA.
I'm doing an apartment tour. This is an apartment tour, guys. I just bought all this stuff.
Yeah.
You like my new apartment?
If you never till you die crying.
You want to show them my restroom?
Oh my god, yes. We're gonna show them Briana's restroom. Don't mind the tags because everything's brand new.
Yeah, I haven't taken anything out.
So, these are the drawers. They're pretty big.
Yeah.
It's unorganized.
Very
right now.
spacious.
The sink is pretty nice. And we have these like medicine cabinets. This is nice.
Super cute.
This is really nice. It's empty, but
No tengo shower.
Yeah.
what?
No, that I don't shower. I shower.
I forgot to buy the
The shower. Oh my god.
The shower head.
In my room. These people just walk through. This is Briana's work clothes, I think.
yeah.
And
Dude, people are at my house, dude. This is Brian.
boring people. Briana hasn't paid her electricity, so the TV's not working.
Yeah, sorry.
The woman you like versus me. Come on, upgrade yourself. Oh my god, me andaba cagando, güey.
Okay, give us a closet tour.
My closet tour 2.0. These are some work skirts because I'm very professional. Some dress shirt. This dress because I have to wear red on the weekends at work, so I have a lot of red. Some cute stuff. This is probably from like Fashion Nova. I don't know. I shop a lot.
Question: is this the faux or is this real?
This is real.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't fuck with that shit. Sorry, vegans, but I don't care. I have some jewelry here, some Cartier bracelets, my Tiffany's bracelet. Some more stuff. I'd show you more, but it's like all hidden away.
Yeah, you gotta hide that shit.
Yeah, and then just some more stuff. Have some boxes, and then I have my shoe closet.
Your closet is so nice.
My shoes.
Oh yeah.
Are stuck. I think I put there's like gum under, so I don't know. They're like stuck.
Yeah.
And these are like my bags. This is like a beach bag.
Oh look,
Honestly, I look.
really.
So yeah.
I love your chandelier. It's so nice.
Yeah. And then this is my husband's side of the closet. He has some ties. He left her dress shirts. Some dress shirts. Don't talk about it. Some ugly ass, what is this? Some dad is about to barbecue shirt. And some dirty clothes. He's a little bit cochino.
He's
He's a little
cochino?
bit cochino.
What happened? There was a break-in.
There was a break-in and somebody fucking broke my bed. I'm pissed. My bed is literally broken. I'm so mad.
So no one can answer?
So you can't go into your room.
No, I can't. I've seen the kick-ass room. I'm so sad. What? I'm all breathe the air of the hood. And by take a nap, I mean probably pass out.
We're almost home, y'all, but like, can we talk about the racist experience we had? Like,
Okay, so first of all, I'm driving like this because it's a nice day. It's nice weather. So she's on. So I'm driving with the sunroof open and like windows down, whatever.
Living our best lives.
So I play. Let me play it. So you guys can get the full experience. I'm gonna play it. Because
It was so funny, but like, people need to mind their business.
why the fuck does it take me? Yeah.
I gotta close the window before I record because New
We're
York
getting
don't know how
lit
to
to
be
this.
quiet.
So I'm playing this
Stand
song.
up.
My windows are open, sunroof's open, so you can hear it outside, right?
Gucci down to the sun, like a nigga, papa, baby, keep your girl in my tummy boxes.
Okay, so anyway, the racist experience.
That's exactly what we did. Okay.
Yeah, like this is us, and that's us driving through the IKEA parking lot because we're leaving. Because I just bought something, and all these fucking white people turn around and they're looking all scared. They're like turning around, like, "Oh my God, Becky, get the license plates!" Like
Literally fucking holding their purses like we're gonna steal them. Like, bitch,
literally,
no one wants your
A
shit.
lady like grabbed her purse because she saw my sister. I was like,
It was me.
I was like, I'm not gonna rob you, Janet, with your declined ass credit cards in your purse.
No, dead ass. We never felt so
I
attacked.
felt attacked. Oh, and then we went to the mall.
Oh, that was even worse. Let me tell you.
We got even more attacked at the mall. They were literally looking at us like, these broke bitches. What are they doing here?
I mean, true, but like, I'm not gonna fucking rob your purse.
They don't gotta point it out.
I am broke, but like, you know.
They don't gotta point it out.